evening, students. So, in fifth unit, today our topic is drift and diffusion currents and Einstein coefficients. Okay, what is drift current? So, drift current is the current in the semiconductor
Master,
due to, due to the holes and electrons, okay, in the presence of applied electric field. So, that current is called drift current. So, what is the drift current? So, see here, I am putting cursor. The total current due to holes and electrons in a semiconductor in the presence of applied electric field is known as drift current. Simply, it is called the current due to holes and electrons in the applied electric field is known as drift current. So, in red letters, okay, I typed that is in the presence of applied electric field. This means that whenever drift current, okay, you are mentioned. So this point is very important. Drift current only under the applied electric field. Okay, so this drift current already I said. So due to the electrons and holes, that's why the net drift current density is given by J drift is equal to Jn plus Jp. This means that Jn is J is that is the current density due to the electrons. Jp is the current density due to holes. So according to Ohm's law, we know that the drift current density for the holes is equal to Jp is equal to sigma p into E. So J is equal to sigma E is the okay, Ohm's law. V is equal to IR is also Ohm's law. That is in terms of voltage. This means that that is the concentration of electrons. Small e is the charge of holes. Mu h is the mobility of holes. So this is the formula for sigma. So sigma is nothing but P E mu h. Once again, where P is concentration of holes per unit volume. This means the concentration of holes, that is number of holes present per unit volume. E is charge of holes, mu h is mobility of the holes. So this is a drift. E. So here Jn means drift current density due to electrons. Sigma is current density due to electrons. So this is called sigma is current density due to electrons. So we know that what is sigma formula? N E mu E. Here N is number of electrons present per unit volume, or it is also called that is equal to electron concentration. The concentration of electrons is charge of electrons. Mu E is equal to mobility of electrons. That's why the total drift current is okay. We can write the drift current density due to electrons plus drift current density due to holes. So I again apply this formula. Jn is equal to sigma n into U E plus Jp is equal to sigma p into E. You know that that is sigma n is equal to Ne mu E. So capital E is so to common. So this is the total formula, that is J drift due to electrons and holes. J drift is equal to Ne mu E plus Pe mu h into E. So this is about the drift current. Once again, what is drift current? The current due to holes and electrons in a semiconductor in the presence of applied electric field is called drift current. Okay. So next, diffusion current. What is diffusion current? So students see here in red letters, that is equal to, in the absence of external electric field, the motion of charge carriers, holes and electrons moves from a region of high concentration to region of low concentration that constitute a current. That current is called diffusion current. This means that diffusion current is the current due to motion of electrons and holes in the absence of external electric field. How it is possible? Yes. So we know that the water always flows from high altitude to low altitude, to the high places to low places, as well as the current flows from high voltage to low voltage. So this means that due to the difference in voltage, the current flows. Due to the difference in heights, so that flow of water is known as gravitational flow. So flow due to gravity. As the water and the current flows due to the difference in voltages and heights, same as in the semiconductor, the holes and the electrons also moves from high regions to low concentration region. So whenever the charges are transport or moves from one place to another place, that constitute a current. Here we cannot apply any electric field. That's why that current is known as diffusion current. So purely diffusion current is not due to the external electric field, in the absence of external electric field. So one scientist, his name is Fix. He proposed a this concentration rate. What is that? The diffusion current is proportional to concentration gradient dn by dx. Here the n is number of electrons. Okay, x is the distance, that is the distance moving along x-axis. So whenever the parameter, the concentration parameter is differentiated with respect to x-axis or distance along the x-axis, that is treated as concentration gradient. So according to Fick's law, the diffusion current is directly proportional to concentration gradient. So this is one diagram. Okay, so see here, whenever we move from this 0 to along x-axis, what happens? The concentration of the charged particles is decreases. If you take at the bandwidth of x, that means 3 centimeters to 4 centimeters at 1 centimeter, 3 minus 4 minus 3, that is called delta x. Okay. So what is the delta x? Delta x is nothing but the difference in two positional points on the x-axis. What is delta n? The corresponding concentration on y-axis. So that is known as delta n. I not mentioned this graph. Okay. So this is the Fick's law. What is Fick's law? Diffusion electronic flux is directly proportional to dn by dx. Suppose if you write in the diffusion coefficient for electrons. So as well as we can also write diffusion Hole's flux. So what is the diffusion electronic flux? So this is the flux due to the electrons. That's why hence the diffusion current density for the electrons, I can written here small e, where small e is the charge of electrons. Similarly, for the holes, the diffusion current density is equal to Jp is equal to minus E dP into dP by dx. This means that the electrons flows from left to right along the positive axis. At the same time, the holes are moves from right to left or positive axis to negative axis. That's why always the direction of flow of holes is opposite to electrons. So in the case of holes, here we mentioned negative charge. That's why, so students, what is the total diffusion current? So the total diffusion current DIFF is equal to diffusion current due to electrons plus diffusion current due to holes. Already, so we know that the diffusion current due to electrons is equal to E capital dN is equal to into dN by dx minus E dP by dx. So what is small e? Charge of electron. Here, charge of hole. So the charge of electrons is equal to charge of holes. Okay, magnitude is same. That's why here I indicated with small e. What is dN? Diffusion coefficient for electrons. What is capital dP? Diffusion coefficient for holes. What is dN by dx? Electron concentration gradient. What is dP by dx? Holes concentration gradient. Okay, so the total current density in a semiconductor is equal to J is equal to J drift plus J diffusion. We know that what is J drift value? See here. First. So this is the J drift. N into E mu E plus PE mu H into E. What is J diffusion? That is J diffusion is equal to E dN by dx minus E dP by dx. That's why. So here the total current density in a semiconductor is nothing but that is equal to J drift plus J diffusion. So J is equal to So totally I added that is J drift is equal to Ne mu E Ex plus Pe mu H Ex plus J diffusion is equal to, see here, this is one, E dN by dx minus D E dP by dx. But again I separated these terms, so only the electron diffusion and drift in first term, and in next term, so the holes drift plus holes diffusion. So dear students, this is the total current in the semiconductor. So due to the electrons and holes by the drift current and diffusion current. So this formula is very important. Hello, are you listening?
Sir.
Okay, any doubts? Students, any doubts? Okay. So I will share this entire material through the Google Classroom. Okay. Uh, okay. Next, small topic. This is a continuation topic. Students, please all of you switch on your uh, cameras. Not okay, vocal. Only switch on your cameras. Durga Praveen,
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
ఒకసారి కెమెరా స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేయండి అందరం.
కెమెరా సార్.
వీడియోస్
సార్ ఒక్కొక్కడు కటింగ్లు చేయించుకుని నెలలు దాటిపోయింది సార్. వద్దు సార్.
నేను కొన్ని స్నాప్స్ తీసుకోవాలి
సార్. స్నాప్స్ అంటే అందరూ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కూర్చొని సార్ అప్పుడు నీట్ గా రెడీ అవుతాం.
చూడలేదు సార్ మీరు.
మరి చూడలేదు పరిస్థితులు ఉన్నాయి సార్.
అంటే ఇంకో డౌట్ ఏంటంటే అందరూ ఉన్నారా లేకపోతే ఆన్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోయారని.
అదే సార్ అందరినీ పిలవండి సార్, ఒక్కొక్కరు పిలుగుతారుగా
సార్ అని చెప్పి
లాస్ట్ లో కాల్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే
ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.
next the continuation topic is so Einstein relations. So what is Einstein relations? Okay, next topic, continuation start. Okay, so Einstein relations. So Einstein relation is nothing but it gives the relation between, that is the diffusion coefficient and mobility of the corresponding charge carriers. So already we are going to be there how the Tns and mu are okay equation is related. Okay, so Einstein equation relates the parameters describing the drift and diffusion process, that is the mobility and diffusion coefficient. Okay, so under thermal equilibrium, the drift and diffusion currents due to an excess density of charge carriers are equal. So see here, this equation, what is N, E, mu E and E? So the left term is nothing but okay drift current due to electrons. Please concentrate. So in this equation, the left hand entire term is Jn of drift. This means that drift current due to electrons. At a thermal equilibrium condition, the drift current due to electrons is equal to okay Jn of diffusion. This means that the diffusion current due to electrons. That's why the equation I can write like this. That is, so delta n means change in concentration of electrons. Okay, is equal to E dn d of delta n by dx. Similarly, we can okay. So this is written as F. What is F? The force. What is the force acting on the electrons? So this N E mu E is equal to force. Okay, this term is equal to force. Already I mentioned some terms. Delta N is delta N E. Capital E is the force acting on the excess charged constant carriers. Okay, so where delta N to restore the equilibrium. Okay, this entire term is equal to force. So we can derive, okay, this term how this is equal to F. But here I am not derived, so I took directly. So according to the kinetic theory of gases, okay, the force due to the pressure gradient is given by that F is equal to, in intermediate we know that the force in the gas molecules, okay, that is that force is equal to Kb capital T d capital N by dx. So what is this? Where Kb is Boltzmann constant, T is the temperature in Kelvin of that gas molecules. What is delta N? Concentration of that gas molecules. What is X? The gas molecules motion along. So x-axis, that is the variation in the position of the gas molecules in x-axis, that is nothing but dx. So in the, okay, law of gases, okay, we know that F is equal to kBT d delta N by dx, right? So that's why, okay, in F place I write kBT d delta N by delta x. Okay, this is the left hand term. So from this equation I've written this equation. So E dn by mu E d delta N by dx. Okay, that's why. So kBT is equal to E, okay, d delta N by dx, d delta N by dx is cancelled with each other. Okay, finally I will written k dt is equal to E dn by E. Here from the above equation dn is equal to mu E kBT into, sorry, by. Similarly, for holes, dP is equal to mu h kBT into T by. Okay. So in this case, okay, we can write kBT is equal to, okay, so directly dn by dP. Okay, already we know that dn. This is a dP. dn by dP. What is? So this is, okay, Einstein relation. What is dn? Diffusion coefficient due to electrons. What is capital dP? Diffusion coefficient for holes. What is mu e? Mobility of electrons in the drift current. What is mu h? Mobility of holes. Okay, in the drift current. That's why, okay, this is known as Einstein relations. These relations are related. Okay, how these are related? The ratio of diffusion coefficient for electrons, okay, to the diffusion coefficient for the holes is equal to, okay, the ratio of mobility of, okay, electrons, okay, to the mobility of holes by the drift. So this relation is known as Einstein. is the time to take the attendance.